This is Realme Narzo 50, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So first step I recommend taking is to enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. Onwards, among the available control panel shortcuts, you gotta touch and hold at the nearby share. Then switch this toggle on. At this point, the nearby share feature was successfully activated. So from here you can start using it, but there are quite a few other options and configurations that we can make. For example, you can rename the device if you want to. You can turn on or turn off the device visibility and change the data transfer, the data mode that will be used for the file transfer. Now let's see this feature at work. So I happen to have another device on me right now, so I will try to share some picture of mine. So let's see, this one, and receive it at the Narzo phone. So as you can see, my device was successfully discovered. Now let's adjust the transfer, then accept it at the receiver's end, and wait for the picture or whatever file that you're sending to get transferred through. Alrighty, so as you can see, that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.